Hello guys, and welcome back to another quick video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to convert, exchange, or rather swap your SHIBA Inu coin into BNB. First of all, you're going to be locating our browser for the purpose of logging into CoinMarketCap. The browser I'm using for this experiment is going to be the Google Chrome. Once you've opened up the Google Chrome, you're going to be searching for CoinMarketCap, like so. The first website you see highlighted here in purple is what we're going to be using. And whilst you're there, we could either scroll down looking for SHIBA or make use of the search icon at the top of the coinmarket.cap website. Once you've clicked on it, we're going to be searching for SHIBA, S-H-I-B-A, SHIBA. Give it some time to load. SHIBA Inu. Here it is, number 15. And this coin is particularly built on the Ethereum blockchain, and all we need to do is copy its contract address, like so. You'd see a small tick saying copied at the top of your screen. Once that's done, you minimize the app and you head straight to your Trust Wallet, like so. Whilst you're in Trust Wallet, you'd be met with a prompt to input your passcode, and once that's done, you're going to be given access to the app, like so. You're going to first appear on the token menu, from which we're going to be moving on to the DApp section at the bottom right corner of the screen. And whilst we're here, we're going to be looking for one of the most popular websites to swap coins, being PancakeSwap. Once we're there, we click the smart chain icon at the top right corner of the screen, close to the three dotted lines. Once we've clicked on that, we switch to the Ethereum network. Once that's done, we make sure we're connected. You see an option to disconnect that shows you're connected. We're going to be pasting the address we just copied for the SHIBA Inu, and we click on add. And once that's done, we're going to be looking for call it BNB. Okay, that's not possible because we're looking to swap rather than going to the bridge, since there are two different coins. The SHIBA Inu coin is built on the Ethereum blockchain, while BNB is on the BEP, that's the BEP20 blockchain, or call it the Binance blockchain, or the smart chain blockchain. It's built on the smart chain blockchain. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using bridge, which is kind of like a menu option here at the top of the PancakeSwap. You click on bridge. Once you've clicked on bridge, you make sure it loads up. You make sure you're connected, like so. It would give you the option to disconnect. And now, bridge is mainly used to trade coins, trade, swap, exchange, convert coins that aren't of the same type. Call it from different networks, be it Ethereum. And we're going to be pasting looks like they don't have SHIBA here right now, so we're going to change some settings. I think there's none I've seen at this point. At the point of making this video, there's no option to include SHIBA here, so we're going to be using a different type of SHIBA Inu for this video by quickly going back to the swap menu and selecting the smart chain network. Once that's done, we're going to be looking for SHIBA, and we're going to add it. And once that's done, you select the amount of BNB, call it 1 BNB, and that's equivalent to over 21 million SHIBA coins. And you could just simply click on swap. Alright guys, thank you for joining the video. I know it's been long, but if you have any questions regarding how to convert your Shiba Inu coin or Shiba coin to BNB, comment down below, and thank you.